Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will look at slope-intercept equations of lines. So basically, given slope m and y-intercept b of a line, its equation can be written as y equals mx plus b or f of x equals mx plus b. For example, if you have slope 1/6 and y-intercept 10, then its equation is simply y equals mx plus b. Here m is the slope, which is 1/6, and b is the y-intercept, which is 10. So we can write y equals 1/6 x plus 10. So this is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Here is another example. Again, here slope is -2, so this will be m, and y-intercept is -3, so this is b. So the equation of the line will be y equals -2x, because we have mx here, plus b. So b is -3, so we have -3, -3. So this is the equation of this particular line. Let's try to graph this quickly. So y-intercept is -3. That means the graph must go through this point here. And the slope is -2. That means when you go down by 2 units, 1, 2 units, you can go to the right by 1 unit. So the graph must go through that point. Since it's -2, we go down by 2 units and then to the right by 1 unit. So that's how we get to this point. So the graph must go through those 2 points. We can draw the graph here. So this is the graph of this particular equation. Here is another example. So we are given 2 points, -2, 1, which is right here, and 5, -3. 5, -3 is right here. So we are looking at this line. We want to find equation of this line. So again, if we want to use this slope-intercept form, then we want to find slope and the intercept. So the slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula for the slope. So y2 here, we can take -3 to be y2 and 1 to be y1. So -3 minus 1. X2 can be 5 and x1 can be -2. So on the top, we get -4 divided by 5 plus 2, which is 7. So this is the slope. -4 by 7 is the slope. We still need to find b, but let's put down what we have so far. So y equals mx. M is -4 by 7. X plus b. Let's put b as it is for now. We need to find b. So to find b, let's pick one of the points. Let's consider -2, 1. So that means when x is -2, y is 1. So we have 1 equals -4 by 7x. X is -2. -2 plus b. So in this equation, the only unknown now is b. We can try to solve for b, but before that, let's try to simplify this. We have 1 equals negative. It actually becomes positive because we have -4 by 7 times -2. So 8 by 7 plus b. Then you can subtract 8 by 7 from both sides. You get b equals 1 minus 8 by 7. So 1 is 7 by 7. 7 by 7 minus 8 by 7 is -1 by 7. So that is the value of b. So we have m, we have b. Now we can write down the equation of the line. So the equation of the line is y equals -4 by 7x for mx plus b. And b is -1 by 7. So -1 by 7. This is the equation of the given line. Next, we will look at how we can graph equations given in slope-intercept form. So let's look at the first one here. Now, the first step is to find slope and y-intercept. For that, we can simply compare with the standard format, y equals mx plus b. So comparing with that, we get m equals 2 and b equals 3. So the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is 3. That means the first equation has y-intercept right here. So the graph must go through that point. And the slope is 2. That means when you go up by 2 units, you must go to the right by 1 unit. So you end up here. So the graph for the first equation must go through those 2 points. Let's quickly draw that. So this is how the graph for the first one should look like. Right, so now let's look at the second one. For the second one, again, comparing with y equals mx plus b, we have m equals -2 and b equals 3 again. The y-intercept is again 3. So the graph for the second equation must also go through that point, but this time slope is -2. So instead of going up, we go down by 2 units and to the right by 1 unit, because this slope we can write as -2 by 1. So the graph must go through that point. So based on that, we can draw the graph. So it must look something like this one. So this is the graph for the second equation. Now let's try the third one. Again, we compare with y equals mx plus b. We see that m is 2 and b is -3. So slope m is 2 and b is -3. That means the y-intercept is right here, -3, and the slope is 2. You go 2 units up and 1 unit to the right. So you are here. So the graph must go through these 2 points. That means it must look like this. So this is the graph for the third equation. So whenever you are given equation of line in this format, y equals mx plus b, it's very easy to graph. You basically need to locate the y-intercept, which will be the value of b, and then we look at the slope to decide the next point. All right, so this is all we have in this video. Thank you for watching.